These are parts of two poems by Walt Whitman, and this work reminds me of them. The expression of...
No, wait, no, you're not ready.
I'm not ready. You're right, Marj. I didn't think. Right.
You're not ready.
Okay.
I'm going to be tough on you.
Are you?
Well, don't look at me.
The expression of a well-made man appears not only in his face, it is in his limbs and joints also. It is curiously in the joints of his hips and wrists. It is in his walk, the carriage of his neck, the flex of his waist and knees. Dress does not hide him. The strong, sweet quality he has strikes through the cotton and broadcloth. To see him pass conveys as much as the best poem, perhaps more.
What do you think? How do you think you're doing?
I'm stiffening my legs a little bit.
A little bit?
A lot.
All right, so quit it.
Quit it.
Now get your hand up there and hold it.
To see
Well,
him
wait a
pass.
minute. You're not ready. This has to
I'm
move,
getting impatient, I think, aren't I?
and this hasn't moved a speck. It moves. And then all of this part moves. And come on up here. Now, come on right up here. Now, what does all of that feel like?
Much better. I feel like I'm over my feet now. and I
All
can
right.
To see him pass conveys as much as the best poem, perhaps more. You linger to see his back, and the back of his neck and shoulder side.
Watch this.
So this is the other one. From this hour I ordain myself loosed of limits and imaginary lines, going where I list, my own master, total and absolute, listening to others.
Is this doing anything for you?
Yes.
What is it doing?
I feel a lot calmer. I was feeling a little nervous, and now I feel just much more calm.
All right.
Going where I list, my own master.
Come on and
total
get yourself
absolute.
up here.
Listening to others, considering well what they say. Pausing, searching, receiving, contemplating.
Is your voice changing?
I think so. Is it changing?
Yes.
Anybody hear the difference? All right, now you know what to do.
Thank you, Marj.
You bet.
Can I read the next two lines? Those are the best ones.
No, you've had enough. You can do those two over there and see how you do.
Read them from here? Okay. Gently but with undeniable will, divesting myself of the holds that withhold me, I inhale great draughts of space.